How to make studying fun and easy, part 2 of 2. Imagine if studying could be as exciting as leveling up in a game or as effortless as binge-watching Netflix. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready. In this video, I'm sharing powerful techniques that will turn your study sessions into fun, productive adventures. Let's make learning exciting. 7. Doodle your notes. Who says notes have to be boring? Doodle diagrams, make mind maps, and get creative. Drawing what you're learning helps you remember it better, and it's a lot more fun than plain text. 8. Write songs or rhymes. Yup, you heard me right. Turn those facts into catchy songs or rhymes. Not only will it make you laugh, but you'll also remember concepts like never before. 9. Pomodoro Power. Study in short bursts, 25 minutes on, 5-minute breaks. It's like sprinting instead of running a marathon, and it keeps you energized instead of drained. 10. Mix things up. Alternate between studying and something fun. Read a chapter, then take a walk or watch a short show. Switching it up keeps your brain happy and refreshed. 11. Reward yourself. You deserve it. Treat yourself when you reach a goal. Snacks, a quick YouTube break, or even a little dance party. Rewards make all that hard work feel worth it. 12. Visual rewards are the best. Use apps that give you cute animal pictures or fun badges when you hit your targets. Who doesn't love a good llama pic after a study session? Hey everyone! Start using these strategies in your study routine and you'll see how learning can become a fun and productive adventure. Studying doesn't have to be boring. It can actually be something you look forward to. Okay, buds. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Studying Machine for more tips and tricks to make learning easier and way more enjoyable. See you in the next video, and until then, happy studying.